Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make shrimp and grits. Yes guys, Southern style shrimp and grits with red eye gravy. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, just keep hanging around my kitchen guys, because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is slice our bacon into strips. You just need a couple of pieces depending on how much you're cooking. I'm using stone ground yellow grits, guys. And the first thing you're going to put is a cup of grits in, add 3 cups of water to it, a pat of butter, and a little salt. You want to go ahead, give it a good stir, make sure everything is mixed up and bring it to a boil. Once you get to that boil, go ahead, give it a stir, turn it down so it can simmer, and cover the pot. Guys, while our grits are cooking, we're going to go ahead and get our bacon nice and crispy. You just want to fry it up until it's crispy, just like this. Then we're going to go ahead, take it out of the skillet, put it on some paper towels, and let it drain. While our bacon is draining, we're going to go ahead and season up our shrimp. I have Argentina wild-caught red shrimp, guys. Large shrimp. We're going to add some garlic powder to it and a little salt. Just mix it up really good. Add the seasonings that you like. We're going to add a pat of butter in and just a little bit of oil so that we can saute our shrimp. Once your butter has melted, then we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp in. Now, it's only going to take maybe about 3 or 4 minutes to get our shrimp cooked. Couple of minutes per side, that'll do it. Flip it over when you think it's ready. Then we'll cook it 2 to 3 minutes on the other side as well. And you know what, guys? When I was seasoning up the shrimp, I actually forgot my Old Bay. So I'm going to sprinkle a little Old Bay on them and just flip them over once again for about 30 seconds on each side, just to get that Old Bay seasoning in there. Love that Old Bay. Okay, guys, looks like our shrimp is ready, so we are going to take it out and set it aside along with our bacon. Next, we're going to go in with another pat of butter. This time it's for our gravy. We're making red eye gravy, guys, which is made with hot, boiling hot black strong coffee. Add in about 1/4 cup of flour and just stir it until it's well blended and you start to get that golden color. Then we're going to go ahead and pour in our hot boiling strong coffee. Now guys, I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description, so be sure to check that out as well. Now we're going to add maybe about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Use the barbecue sauce of your choice. Then we're going to go in with about 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Add that in, give it a good stir. You want to make sure everything is blended, well blended. Then we're going to go ahead and let this simmer just a little bit. You can see it's kind of thin. That's what red eye gravy is all about. It's not very thick. Now let's get back over to our grits, and they are just about done. They've been cooking for about 15 or 20 minutes. So now it's time to add in our cream so that we can make sure our grits are nice, smooth, and creamy. Now, if you want your grits to be just a little thinner, add in a little bit more liquid to them. But I like mine to be a little rich, thick, and creamy. Guys, it's time to plate. Let's get our grits in first, and after that we're going to sprinkle a little bacon on top. Now we're adding in our shrimp. Now you can plate any way you want, but this is the way I like to plate mine. Going to add my shrimp all around. Then we're going to go in after we have all of our shrimp on here with a little bit more bacon, and then we're going to top that off with a few scallions. Guys, if we had smell-o-vision, oh my goodness. Now go ahead, I'm gonna go around with my gravy. You can put as much gravy as you want on yours. I like to pour mine around the edge and then just a little bit on top. This is smelling so delicious. Guys, leave me some comments down there. How do you like your shrimp and grits? Pour a little bit on top, then let's put that garnish. This is just some green scallions. You can garnish it with parsley if you like as well. We are all done and it's time for our taste test. Okay guys, we are all done with our southern shrimp and grits with red eye gravy. Oh my goodness, if we had smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna at least give the grits a good little taste with a little piece of bacon. They are creamy and rich. Oh my goodness, guys. And the red eye gravy is to die for. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. Guys, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing video. And check out the video right there at the end of this episode. Thank you so much for your loyal support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Oh my goodness.